looks amazing while using this black and white mode in the Poco X3 device. Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Checker. In this video I'll be doing the black and white mode PUBG gameplay test in the Poco X3 device. So yes friends, you listen correct, there is a black and white mode hidden in the Poco X3 smartphone. So by using this black and white mode, I'm actually playing the PUBG game. So if you use this kind of mode, you'll change your complete perspective of this viewing of this game PUBG gameplay. Definitely you can see the X-ray vision is going on here. You can see the plants as well, so which looks completely different if you ask me to normal color mode to this mode, as you can see friends, which looks amazing while playing in this kind of black and white mode. So this is not everyday gameplay you can play, but at least you can just try in the Poco X3 device. If you're having this Poco X3 phone, you can easily spot vehicles as well so far. So just now I did a video on that one, black and white, how to enable in the Poco X3 device, but in this video I'll be going through the another step as well. Even you can spot the enemies clearly, as you can see friends. You can see the enemies in the dark color, so which is very good. So right now I'll give it a ride and let's see if you're driving in the black and white mode, how does it look while playing in the black and white mode in this Poco X3 device. So if you're having the Poco X3 smartphone, then definitely just give it a try how to by playing this kind of black and white theme in your mobile phone. So another best thing is that there is another hidden feature as well in the game turbo where you can increase the colors. So this is how it looks with the normal black and white mode, but I am trying to actually increase the saturation and the brightness level to the extreme to make it a next level experience while playing this kind of game in the Poco X3 smartphone. So right now I'll be demonstrating you how you can actually enable this option in the Poco X3 device in terms of using this black and white mode while playing this PUBG gameplay in the Poco X3 device. So try to check my other videos on the Poco X3 as well, in case if you're interested to watch those details. So there's a playlist in the description below. So same this kind of inbuilt hidden tips and tricks as well. There are so many tips and tricks in the Poco X3 which is pending for me. I need to do so many videos, so try to stay updated, connected with the playlist of the Poco X3. So where I have uploaded more than 100 videos just only on the Poco X3 alone. So you can find this kind of tips and tricks so many in this smartphone. But overall it looks pretty good friends. Just give it a try by playing this black and white mode in the Poco X3 device. So another question was how is the FPS count I'm getting right now. So I'm using, as you can see, you can easily get the 60 FPS without any problem, and this black and white mode is not affecting the performance as well while playing the game. So it looks pretty fine while playing the game, so without any issues, as you can see friends. And one more advantage is that even you can easily spot the enemies using this black and white mode from far distance. So that is what I did observe while using this black and white mode. I can spot them easily in the bright colors when you're playing this kind of PUBG gameplay. So now let me show you the details how you can actually enable that black and white mode in the Poco X3 device. So right now everywhere it's black and white mode only enabled. So first you need to go to the display options and then go to the reading mode, go to the paper, and now try to select the black and white mode option which is present here. So if you select the black and white mode, complete phone will be changing into the black and white theme. So you'll get this kind of black and white mode everywhere. As you can see, you can easily spot the enemies from far away. So that is what I did observe just now while using this kind of mode. So which is not possible if you're using the normal color mode in the Poco X3. You cannot spot from the far away if you're using this black and white mode, but using this mode I can easily find from far away. So not only PUBG game friends, there are so many other games. Every game you can try in the black and white mode, and you can see in different perspective as well while playing this game. So if you like, you can use that mode whenever you are playing the game. But this is not everyday usage where you will be using the black and white mode and playing the PUBG game. So once in a while it's good. So at least you can try in the beginning when you buy the Poco X3 device. So this kind of so many hidden features I'll try to combine, and I'll try to list top 5 hidden features in the Poco X3 device, similarly like this, which is present. So that video will be giving you more details about the Poco X3 smartphone in terms of having more knowledge about the device. So try to look at this view, friends, from the top angle. You can see all the plans and everything clearly by using this black and white mode. So that is what I did observe so a little bit time ago. So let me try to jump and show you if the view of this from the top sky. As you can see, friends, you can see each and every detail from the top view while playing this game. You can see the enemies and everything. You can see that this kind of X-ray vision is going on. So that is what I did like using this kind of mode in this Poco X3 device using the black and white mode you can see here. So that's it for this video, friends. For more this kind of hidden tips and tricks, make sure to follow me regularly and don't miss any videos by subscribing and clicking the bell icon as well. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.